Hello, in this video I'm gonna check if there is a 3.5mm headphone adapter in Google Pixel 9 Pro XL box. Here is the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL box, and let's slide it out of this cover. Then lift the top lid to see if there's an adapter. Here is the phone. Here is a USB-C to USB-C cable, and there is a accessory booklet, and in this booklet there is a safety guide and a quick start guide. And here is a SIM card tray opener, and that's all. So there's no 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.